stepping on the line.
Ready?
Simple. Easy, 2 points for Sir Rivas. Tough shot, 2 points. Same ball, 10 seconds. Foul, counted. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, Sir Losanes. That's his first personal foul and first team foul. On the shot. Steal. Two points, Sir Cadigo. Carry the ball. Highness ball. Behind the back. Steal. Seconds. Easy, 2 points. Foul. Foul, jersey number 25, Sir Solitario. That's his first personal foul and second team foul. Seconds. 2 points. Sir Solitario. Sir Rivas, pasok sa ilalim. Easy, 2 points. Sir Cadigoy, nagmamadali. Wala. Sir Rivas, perimeter shot, wala. Kuha pa rin Sir Rivas. Sir Caligoy, 3 versus 1. Pass 2. Behind the back pass. Mandatory substitution. Out of bounds, Highness ball. Steal. Jersey number 21. Umatras. 3-point. Wala. Kuha ni Sir Rivas. Tinayon lang. Kanya pa rin. Steal. Nice hustle play by Sir Caligoy. Sir Caligoy nagmamadali. Pass sa kampe. Same ball. 15 seconds. Seconds. 5 seconds. Foul. Counter. Who's foul rep? 27.
27, Palya. Palya yan, Palya.
Sir Palya, first personal foul and first team foul. On the shot for Sir Bautista. On the shot is good. Nagmamadali, pinasok ang tatlo, foul! Who's foul rep? Foul, jersey number 7, Sir Bautista. That's his first personal foul and third team foul. Push up for Sir Rivas. Orange Highness ball. Official score is 9-11. 2-point lead for Orange Highness. Sir Caligoy may hawak ng bola, pumasok sa gitna. Pinasa ka Sir Bautista, perimeter shot, wala. Nakuha ni Sir Palya. Pass to Sir. Jersey number 26, 2 points.
Naglaro na sa buklod dati, Mapawi. Nakamaong, naalala mo? Pagbalik nag-juice ng blue, tsaka.
Foul. Who's foul rep? 22. Jersey number 22, 27. Sir Palya, second personal foul and second team foul. 2 minutes. Sir Bautista, pass to jersey number 11. Pasok sa gitna. Easy 2 points. By Sir Rosales. Sir Rosales nagmamadali. 3 versus 1 ang laban. Juan Servalia. Servalia. Nagkagawa sa rebound. Sir Ribas. Sir Ribas pa rin. Foul. Who's favorite? Number 24, Sir Cadigoy. That's his first personal foul and 4th team foul. 2 shots for Sir Ribas.
May gunting ka dyan, Kume? Ha? May gunting ka dyan? Sa may sino lang eh. Sa sign nila. Gano'n sila tapos sa ano. Laro, tapos kasama ko yun. Nangyari. Sumama ko. Gunting yun. Gunting yun.
Out of bounds. Cheetahs ball. Out of bounds. Highness ball. 25 seconds. Wala na po tayo shot clocks. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Wala na pong shot clock. Running. Bigay. 10 seconds. No shot clock. 2 points. Sir Ribas. 5 seconds. Sir Cadigoy nagmamadali. Buzzer na lang maririnig. And the first quarter. Steal. Sir Cadigoy nagmamadali. Cheetahs ball. Easy, 2 points. Block. 10 seconds. Steal. 3 versus 2. 3 versus 3. 3 versus 4. Jersey number 6. Nakakalabaw, easy 2 points by jersey number 6. Move back. Step back 3. Wala. Masa sa ilalim. 10 seconds. Wala, sa kanya pa rin. Bomba. Grabe, 5 na. Steal by Sir Cadigoy. Woo! Sir Cadigoy nagmamadali para Sir Hapon. Wala. Nakuha ni Sir Hapon. Pasa sa ilalim. Pasa sa ilalim. Easy. 2 points. Sir Amaro. Serve of God. Nagmamadali. 2 versus 3. Easy 2 points by Sir Wolfgang. Easy 2 points, Sir Hampton. Sir Cadigoy sa ilalim, nag-iisa. Nilabas ang bola. 10 seconds. Same ball. 9 seconds. Serve of gang, tumira ng 3. Wala. Sir Amaro, nahanap ng papasahan. Sir Zabala. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Sir Hampton, foul. Who's foul rep? 5. Jersey number 25, Sir Solitario, second personal foul and first team foul. Seconds. Easy 2 points, Sir Solitario. Tap shot, 2 points. Sir Candigoy pumasok na naman sa gitna. Steal yan. Sir Zabala nag-iisa. Naghihintay ng kakampi. 2 versus 2. 3 versus 3. 3-point basket. Official score 30-70. 30-point lead. Brown Cheetahs. Three-point basket by Sir Candigoy. Seconds. 5 seconds. Fade away shot. Wala. Nakuha ni Sir Hampton. 2 points. Last possession for change 5. Sir Wolfgang. Change 5. Change 5.
Team foul. 21.
Versus 1, 3 versus 3. Easy 2 points. Counted. Rep, sino po ulit? 11. Foul, jersey number 11, Sir De Guzman, and that's his first personal foul and second team foul. Bonus shot for Sir Divas. Counted. Number 7, Sir Bautista's second personal foul and third team foul. Bonus shot for Sir Divas. Sir Wolfgang. Pasa sa ilalim, Sir Hampton, foul. Usman rep. 21. Foul, jersey number 21, Sir Amaro. That's his first personal foul and 4th team foul. Sir Amaro nagmamadali, pinasa kay Sir De Guzman. Umikot si Sir De Guzman. Easy 2 points. Kumeke, Sir Zabala. Veteran shot by Sir Zabala. 2 points. Holding foul.
3rd second.
Sir Falia, that's your 3rd personal foul and 2nd team foul. Footback is good by Sir Bautista. 2 points. Usman rep. Foul, jersey number 4, Sir Wolfgang. That's your first personal foul and penalty. 2 shots for Sir Hampton. Arrogant Cheetahs ball. Steal. Nilipat pa sa kabila. Sayang. Steal. Sir De Guzman, wala. Out of bounds. Same ball. 19 seconds. Block. Sir Wolfgang nagmamadali, pinasa kay Sir De Guzman. Pasa kay Sir Amaro. Easy 2 points by Sir Amaro. Easy 2 points by Sir Hampton. Wala na pong shot clock. 17 seconds. No shot clock. Nangararo na si Sir Wolfgang. 2 points. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. Wolfgang nagmamadali. And the first half. Official score, 43-34. 9-point lead para po sa Brown Cheetahs. Easy, 2 points. Steal, another steal. Sir Rivas. Steal by Sir Rosales. Sir Rosales, steal yan. Another steal. Steal party. Woo! Wala, nakuha ni Sir Cadigoy. Pass to Sir Amaro, easy 2 points by Sir Amaro.
Pre, classmate din, di ba? Oo. Magkano-ano kaya sila? Alam niya eh.
Seconds. 5 seconds. Seconds violation.
Shadow play, kaya pa? Down screen. Back lang. Down screen.
Brown Cheetahs nagmamadali. 4 versus 2. Sir Rivas, wala. Teammate niya pa rin. Easy 2 points. Blocking foul. 26. Jersey number 26, that's your first personal foul and first team foul. 21 seconds. Pasa na pala. Sir Rosales nagpapadali, hinahabol ang bola. Naghihintay nakakampi. Putback's good by Sir Rivas.
Ganda pa!
Seconds. Serve of Glam, wala. Nakuha ni Sir Rivas. Pass to Sir Rosales. Jersey number 27, nagkakaroon ng mamadali. 4 versus 1. Sir Rivas, easy 2 points.
Net, pasulit na pasulit.
Easy 2 points by Sir Amaro. Official score po natin is 49-40. Serve of Cap. Pasa kay Sir Cadigoy. Sa ilalim. Easy 2 points by Sir Cadigoy. (49-42). 7-point lead for Brown Cheetahs. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Easy 2 points by Sir Rivas. Sir Amaro nagmamadali. 4 versus 2. Pasa Sir Wolfgang. Anong gagawin ni Sir Wolfgang? Pumasa sa gitna. Wala. Nakuha ni Sir Valia. Pasa Sir Rivas. Sir Rivas pass to Sir Rosales. Umatras. 3-point. Bang! Sir Cadigoy nagmakamadali pumunta sa gitna. Foul! Who's foul rep? 27 po. 27. 27. Sir Valia, that's your 4th personal foul and 2nd team foul.
Dead ball, timeout. Committee timeout.
Committee's timeout mo muna. Kanina po susi ito.
Inbox na po yan.
Iwan mo daw. Kaya kami mo daw, taga-balin sa ilak. Baka yung inbox, maging inbox.
Muntik na maging enwaw. Seconds. 5 seconds. Kuwani, serve of God. Pasok Sir Katigoy. Another 2 points pa. Easy 2 points by Sir Katigoy. Score po natin ay 54-45. 9-point lead para po sa Brown Cheetahs. 10 seconds. Veteran shot is good. 2 points. Steve. Change 5. Change 5. Brown Cheetahs. Pass number 21. Wala. Nakuha ni. Nakuha ni. Highness po. Woo! Parang rondo. Same ball. 17 seconds. Grabe pega yun. Traveling. Foul. Jersey number 16, that's your first personal foul and fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Sir Zabala. Naghintay. Wala. Nakuha ni. Sir Di Guzman. Sir Di Guzman. Pass to Sir Wolfgang. 3 versus 2. Pumopa sa ilalim. Wala. Sir Bautista. Wala pa rin. Kuha ni. Kuha ni. Same ball. 12 seconds. 14 seconds. Seconds. 5 seconds. Pasa sa ilalim. Wala. Three seconds violation. Napindot mo. Out of bounds. Highness score. Score po natin ay 56-46. 10-point lead para po sa Brown Cheetahs. Easy 2 points by Sir Di Guzman. 2 minutes. Sir Zabala. Wala. Kuha ni Sir Hampton. Easy 2 points by Sir Hampton. Rebounded by Sir Hampton. Sir Hampton nagmamadali. Still yan kay Sir Hukka. Easy 2 points. .50, 8-point lead para po sa Brown Cheetahs. Sir Nick Guzman mag-isa, 3 versus 1, 3 versus 2. Easy 2 points by Sir Wolfgang. Perimeter shot is good by jersey number 27. Last 30 seconds. Seconds. Three points. Sir Wolfgang. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Wala na po shot clock. Foul.
Ilang oras?
9. Foul, jersey number 10, Sir Rosales. That's his second personal foul and first team foul. 2 shots for Sir Hampton. Jersey number 27, nagmamadali 3 versus 2. Umigot, easy 2 points. Sir Cadigoy, pasa Sir Amaro. Sir Rosales, 10 seconds. Top shot by Sir Rosales, 2 points. Who's foul rep? 24? Sir Cadigoy, second personal foul and second team foul. Sir Maro nagmamadali. 4 versus 3. Wala. Sir Cadigoy ulit. Pass to Sir Rosales. Wala. Sir Falian nagmamadali. 3 versus 2. Pass to Sir Rivas. Foul. Counted. Who's foul rep? Number 1. Jersey number 1. That's his first personal foul and third team foul. Ball the shot for Sir Rivas. Substitution rep. Steal. Sir Rivas, may hawak ng bola. Sir Rivas, pasok sa ilalim. Wala. Kubak, wala pa rin. Sir Rivas, nagmamadali. 4 versus 2. Sir Rivas, umirere na. Wala pa rin. Sir Valia, steal by Sir Sako. Sir Rivas, nagmamadali. Steal again. Sir Valia, pass to Sir Rivas. Easy. Timeout. Timeout. Orange Highness. Easy 2 points by Sir Rivas. Score po natin is 67-57. 10-point lead for Brown Cheetahs. Sir Valia, wala. Sir Sako, nagmamadali. Masyadong mataas.
Sab. Ay!
Tama lang.
Pre, ilang game ka? Ito. Lahat.
Okay po.
Naiya ako dun sa kasama mo yung mataba. Ano mo pala? Ganun na.
Isang ka lang, sir. Magdodong natin.
Pero okay na sa kanya.
Minus po. Score po natin ay 67-59. 8-point lead para po sa Brown Cheetahs. Sir Gadigoy. Nahak ng bola. Pasa sa solitario. Wala. Nakuha ni Sir Hampton. Seconds. Sir Hampton foul. Counted. Foul jersey number 10, Sir Rosales. That's his 3rd personal foul and 4th team foul. Winding for penalty. On the shot for Sir Hampton. Seconds. Veteran shot, it's good by Sir Valia. Top shot, 2 points, Sir Wolfgang. Rebounded by Sir Rosales. Pass to Sir Cadigoy. Fast break is good by Sir Cadigoy. nagmamadali. 3 versus 1, umikot-ikot. Easy 2 points by serve of God. Ano ba? Sibo. Substitution rep. 13 seconds shot clock. 13 seconds shot clock. Sir Canigoy nagmamadali. 3 versus 3, 4 versus 3. Pumasok sa gitna. Foul. Substitution rep. 26. Jersey number 26, third personal foul and first team foul. 2 free throws for Sir Canigoy. Foul, jersey number 25, Sir Solidario. That is third personal foul and penalty. Two shots for Sir Rivas. Minus ball. Cheetah's ball. Three-point basket. Foul. Foul, jersey number 27. That is first personal foul and second team foul. 2 shots for serve of God. Traveling. Cheetah's ball. Who's foul rep? Sir Rosales. Foul, jersey number 10, Sir Rosales, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4 personal foul and penalty. 2 shots for Sir Hampton. Foul. First personal foul and third team foul. One minute and 50 seconds. Highness ball. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul jersey number 16, Sir Hampton, and that's his second personal foul and fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. One minute and 30 seconds. Steal. Sir Solitario pass to Sir Rosales. Wala. Nakuha ni. Nakuha ni Sir Zabala. Cheetahs ball. 1 minute and 18 seconds. Seconds. Foul jersey number 21, Sir Amaro. And that's his second personal foul and penalty. Sir Wolfgang nagmamadali. Wala. Nakuha ni Sir Solitario. 2 points by Sir Solitario. Sir Rivas naghanap na mapapasahan. Nakita si Sir Zabala. Steal. Sir Cadigoy, pass to Sir Wolfgang. Sir Wolfgang, pass to Sir Amaro. Easy 2 points by Sir Amaro. 30 seconds. Foul. Foul, jersey number 4, Sir Wolfgang. That's his second personal foul and penalty.
Nice one.
Foul! Nagsisiliparan ang Highness. Foul, Sir Hampton, third personal foul and penalty. 2 shot for Sir Wolfgang. Foul, jersey number 4, Sir Wolfgang, third personal foul and penalty. No retreat, no surrender. Rebounded by Sir Rosales. Sir Wolfgang, no retreat, no surrender, tumira na 3. Wala! Nakuha ni Sen Solitario. 2 points. Foul. Foul, jersey number 24, Sir Adigo. Third personal foul and penalty. Sir Amaro nagmamadali, pinasa kay Sir Bungkang, tumira, hindi, pinasa kasi Adigoy, step back 3, wala, nakuha ni Sir Bungkang, 1 second left, tumira ng 3, count it! Grabe, parang sila yung nanalo. And congratulations. Score po natin ay 81-77. Brown Cheetahs win! Congratulations!